Hello and welcome back to Remoto, and welcome to this lovely and stormy day in New Plymouth. Oh, what a day. And guess what, today is a distinguished Chinmounts run. We're not going to let the rain put us off, but you know what, we're just going to get out and do it. So we're going to go top up some fuel and head to the venue. So Andrew, just roll that goddamn intro. And you're back with me. Yes, it is an absolute terrible day, and it's just one of those things that just has to happen, you know, it just has to be a shit day. But we're not going to let that put us down, just going to keep on trucking, get some fuel, and pull up the venue, so stick along and let's go. Now, just walking through the lineup of bikes, we had still a really good turnout for how terrible the weather was, and some people come in as far from Harweda, which is absolutely just crazy. Like, those guys are so dedicated, it's amazing to see. But there's an amazing spread of bikes, all types of brands, all sizes, as you can see that little one there, so cute, but just an amazing time. Well, we're going to head on to the run now, so I'll just shut up and you guys can just enjoy the ride to the pub. Well, they shortened the ride quite a lot due to the weather. So let's just get to the pub. Let's go. And after a quick beverage, we're now back on our way home, back in the rain, but luckily we only have about a 10-minute ride to get home, so nothing like those people that had to go back to Harweda. I feel sorry for them, but so dedicated. I'd just like to say thank you to the organisers for this. It was an absolutely amazing time. What they could achieve with what they had was amazing, so thank you again, and it was a really good time. So looking forward to the DGR Run next year. Hopefully the sunshine comes out, because it wasn't great, but we'll see you in another video of our Remoto. Catch you later.